Scalefusion UEM is an all-encompassing endpoint management solution that allows orgs to seamlessly manage, monitor, and secure their diverse fleet of digital devices and empowers IT teams to enforce policies, ensuring compliance and productivity. Open Microsoft Edge browser, paste the enrollment URL in the address bar and press enter. A new window titled Kiosk Device Enrollment will open. Enter the enrollment code you received via your organization and click Enroll. If the code is valid, a dialog will prompt you to allow access to your Microsoft account. Click Yes. This action will open the Connect to Work or School app, pre-filling the admin email and enrollment URL. You can edit the email ID, then click Next. The enrollment process will begin, showing progress screens. It typically takes a couple of minutes to complete registration. Click Got it when prompted. After enrollment, the device will sync with the Scalefusion dashboard and apply policies soon. After enrollment, verify the following. On the Windows device, open the Connect to Work or School application to confirm the device is managed by Scalefusion. Use the Sync option within the Connect to Work or School application to sync manually. Restart the Windows device once after enrollment to put the policies into application deployed by your organization. The enrolled device should appear under the Devices section in the Scalefusion dashboard as a managed device.